Hey guys, Harmeet here from Photo Insomnia, and today I wanted to give you a quick rundown on my bag that I'm using these days. It's the Peak Design Everyday Backpack, the 20-liter size. I used to have the messenger style bag, which was the 15-inch bag, but that bag was good for a while, but I prefer a backpack style bag. Getting around through airports with this bag is really easy. Nobody really gives you any trouble about the size of the bag or ask you to ever weigh it because it looks deceivingly small, but I'm going to show you how much gear you can pack into this bag. So let's get started. Alright, let's take a look what's inside the bag. First and foremost, I have got my laptop, MACBOOK Pro 15-inch, fits in the bag at the back. Let's flip it over to the side. And now in the side pocket I have all of my cameras and other lenses. Peak Design strap, that's the slide light. I have the 23mm Fujifilm lens and another one 56mm, the XT2. That's what I've got here. So that goes there. For all my video work, vlogging, I'm using the Canon 80D, which is also in the back. I have the Video Micro by RUGGARD, that goes there. And then there's also a pocket on the side here where I have various things such as batteries. So those are the ones for the 80D. These are the batteries for the XT2. What else is in there? That's about it on this side. Now if we flip it over to the other side, there's some more stuff. The MAVIC Air drone. That's in a little carry case. I like this hard case because it's nice and secure in there, so I like to carry it inside that. So that's that. And of course you can't fly it without its controller, so we have the controller. Got 2 extra batteries. I did an unboxing video on this. I'll put a link in the video. If you're interested, you can go check it out. A card case. So this is the RUGGARD case for carrying my memory cards. And then in this side pocket I've got some more things. Zoom H1, wrist strap, Glyphy. I think this is called a glyph for doing some time lapses using my mobile phone. Little clip, hollow clip for the iPhone. The ND filters and card reader, and the cap of this gun, which always keeps falling off. There we go. Put that here. So as you can see, you can carry a lot of gear, a drone, a DSLR size camera, a mirrorless camera, a couple of lenses, a laptop, all of this in a compact backpack like this. Absolutely love the size and portability of this bag. Alright, that's all from me on this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this stuff, please subscribe and I'll see you soon.